Student like you, I also face this situation. If you are also struggling with the same situation, do let me know. Now you must be wondering what exact the situation would be. See, you have clicked to this video just because of you also want to gain some values and some grades as an engineering student, or maybe someone who have to give a presentation in your college for your internship. Now, if you are also struggling to design an internship presentation that really wows the professor or judges or lecturers and to leave a very last impression, well, let me show you that how I did it in my engineering career, uh, and like earn top grades while gaining some professional confidence. Yes, you heard it right. And if you want me to share all those stuff to you for absolutely no cost or to gain some more value out of it, then watch this video till the very end where I'm gonna share all those stuff, how I did research, or like how I crafted the entire presentation by using ChatGPT, or like what prompts that I had used in order to design that PowerPoint presentation, and whichever tools that I have used so far just to make the presentation very simple and easy to express or to present in front of your audience or in front of your judges as well. So if you're someone who is visiting to this channel for the first time, don't forget to hit that red color subscribe button and also click to the notification bell icon if you feel like you want more updates such like this. What let's start this video without any further ado, right? So let's come up to the screen. So let's start this conversation regarding how I designed this entire presentation using ChatGPT and by using my design prompt that feels like more easy to speak and easy to remember and easy to get more grades from the judges. So, if you are someone as an average student in engineering life or in any department and you have to give a presentation regarding your internship in any of your SEMs, this is something that can make your judges feel like, okay, you have done something and you can gain much more grades just like me. So, as you can see, I have used only 2 to 3 colors and while designing this entire presentation. Now, I heard uh, I just got an internship opportunity in a company called as Cinematic, alright, for a role called as front-end funnel builder. Although this video is not about the role, but all about the how I prepared this presentation. So if you want more about front-end funnel builder, type front-end funnel builder in the comment box, so I will feel free to create more content related to that. So yeah, without wasting your much valuable time, let's proceed. So in Cinemat, I used to get an internship for 1 month for the role called as front-end funnel builder. And while designing this, I got some instruction from our college that you have to design a 10-page, like maximum 10-page slides that should deliver about your internship program. So I have a very less time and I don't know how to use AI. And I thought, "Ki boss, okay, if ChatGPT is there in the market and other AI tools are also present in this market, what if I can also use that and make it more impactful?" Although it was a very challenge and very risk uh, to experiment, but still, I took that risk and started doing some research. Okay boss, what are the things that has been required? Now you don't need to waste your time just to design a presentation such like this. So this was all about the front page, and the second page where I'm gonna show like what I have shared is all about my introduction, because the persons or the audience are sitting in front of me hearing my presentation. They don't know about who am I or the internship's overview. So I have shared, okay boss, I'm this and I'm a student of branch this year, and this was an internship overview, and like I have got this for 1 month, and like the company name called as Cinemate, and the role is this, right? And the next very video and the third page is all about the agendas, right? to grab their more attention and make it more clear to understand what exactly I'm gonna deliver to them, I just prepared a simple agenda. Like, okay, in the first, I'm gonna share my rules and responsibilities. In the second, I'm gonna share the key projects. As simple, like I can't share the real projects, but okay, a very simple project that can make feel that okay, I have done something. So it's all about VSL landing page funnel, right? Now, if you don't know that what exactly VSL is all about, video sales later, if you can Google it up. And what are the skills that has been required in this entire internship program? And what are the challenges that I have faced and come up with a solution? And what are the takeaways and learnings and outcomes? So let's proceed. Now, I make it more clear. Okay, in this page, I'm gonna talk to you about roles and responsibilities. I designed this mind map using a mind map builder. You can use any mind map builder that are free. And if you want to help you out how to design a mind map such like this, just type mind map as well. Now, to design a VSL landing page, this is a pretty much very simple format that you can use in order to design, right? But there are more advanced copywriting style and like the layout style that you can use so far just to design a VSL landing page for yourself. But this is something that I can share, right? As like to make it more simple and easy to deliver. Now, what are my roles and responsibilities? I just share with a like mind map sequence to make it more clear and highlight, right? Then I come up with a project, right? This is a very simple VS landing page funnel that I have built it, and I haven't hosted, but it's something that I showed to the viewer and the audiences, those are in front of me, just to share a message is all like message regarding the project sample, right? And that next slide, I have talked about the skills that has been required in terms of technicalities or in terms of design. This is for my department. If you have something different, you can craft it as per your requirement, right? So what are the things that has been combined and like made something unique apart from it? So a VSL landing page operating style with eye-catchy color palettes and proper padding ratios with a software called as Cinnamon. Although I loved it because this is something that as an all-in-one funnel builder at the end, you can say. You can Google it up, right? If you want more information regarding that. And in the next very page, I have talked about the challenges and solutions, right? What are the challenges that I have faced so far in order while I was an intern, and what are the solutions that I have applied just to come up with the challenges that I was facing, right? Then what are the key takeaways in terms of professional growth, in terms of my personal growth, right? Because that's what make help a person to grow in the life, right? This is what I have learned so far. If there is something unique, you can just add your own ideas to it, right? And I just ended with this certificate of completion and yeah, a thank you page. Now you must be wondering, okay, Niraj, you have shared this entire presentation that you have designed without using that PowerPoints or any other tools. Okay, if you want me to share how exactly you can prepare a color palettes and how to design such presentation and make it more simpler presentation for yourself, you can type presentation. So I would feel free to connect with you and start a conversation where I can help you out. Right now, if you want to craft such PowerPoint presentation for yourself, I prepared a document called as PPT slide format with a delivery script. If you are very weak at conversation, what to deliver, this is something that I've also prepared with a prompt where you can copy and paste in ChatGPT and optimize the data as per your requirements and generate a very much detailed presentation format and craft a PowerPoint presentation such like this. And if you want this entire format and prompt to be delivered to you for absolutely free, you just have to do a very simple thing for me, because I have done a very hard effort to design this entire prompts and to design this presentation that helps you to get more grades, right? Now, my hard and efforts want something from you, right? I want a very simple thing. Please hit that subscribe button. I'm waiting to give you more values, right? And just hit that like bell icon. And also, if you feel like this is something that you want again and again with a more upgradation, just put a like over there. Also, type prompt if you want this. I will just share this entire two documents link to you directly, right? So if you want more videos to be uploaded related to any other contents, type your queries in the comment below. We'll meet you in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.